Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don't predict say Presido Tinubu go win well for the 2027 presidential election. The governor talked this one for New Festival Hall for Government House Benin City when he welcomed 17 local government Acting Chairmos them wey don pot leave PDP come join APC. Oga Okpebholo come praise their courage, say the work wey in government don't do for Edo State go show say na dem get better plans unlike the previous government wey not try at all, especially on top insecurity and money matter. The governor constantly praised APC leadership and can reassure Presido Tinubu say Edo State go dey with am for the next election, say APC go still dey lead Naija, say no vacancy for opposition party for 2027. Governor Okpebholo constantly talk say in dey sure say more opposition leaders for the state go join APC sake of all the development wey in government don bring come.
What happened today is not easy. It can never happen any other place. You must be a grounded politician to do a thing like this. We practically met Edo where nothing is working. The only thing that was working here was killing, insecurity, and looting of Edo money. That was the only thing that was working here with the so-called name consultant. But today, we have changed the narrative. I cannot fail to thank our leaders, Comrade Adams Oshomole, I cannot also forget to mention the state chairman, and all members of the Executive Council of our great party for their sacrifice they have made. Just now I heard somebody was calling Acting Chairman. What do you mean by Acting Chairman? These are the three chairmen of As far as I'm concerned, once you are impeached, you are out of the ring. So, an impeached chairman is no longer chairman. Somebody was yesterday begging, don't impeach me as a governor. Supposing he was impeached, can he be a governor again? So that is why these are chairmen that were elected by their councillors. So the councillors that were elected were to speak for their community where they are coming from. So they were the leaders to speak for their community and they have spoken for their community. I want to tell you that 2027 is a reality in Edo State. Go back home. By the time I'm visiting your local government, I want to see the big board of Asewaju in your local government. Every local government must have the big board of Asewaju. 2027, there is no vacancy. Leave them. They say they are forming a political party. Whether na SD or SDP or whether what they call them, I don't know. A party that is started with evil people. And he wants to form a party that will rule Nigeria. Will that be possible? Since they left the affair of Kaduna State, there is no kidnapping on that road anymore. As they were allocating money for projects in the state, they were also allocating money for kidnappers. They were sponsoring them. and such person say he wants to come and rule Nigeria. He wants to head a party that will rule Nigeria. Is that possible? We Edo people, we are saying no to any other party in this land. Let me tell you, yesterday night I had a very sweet dream that the leadership of PDP in Edo State will come and join us. I asked the leader, Anthony Azekwebi, in the dream, I said, why are you joining us? He said, you are a performing governor. What you have done in 4 months, our governor could not do it for 8 years. So the ancestors of our land, the ancestors of our Oba is very much present in Edo State. And the good thing that will continue to happen in this land, we will continue to enjoy it by the grace of God. Me and my deputy, Dennis Idahosa, we are committed to the development of Edo State. We have come to rescue. Our president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, came to rescue Nigeria. What former presidents could not do. I could remember when Goodluck was struggling, saying, I want to remove subsidy. I will remove subsidy, I will not remove subsidy. I will remove subsidy, I will not remove subsidy. Our former president, Buhari, could not do it. The almighty Obasanjo could not do it. He dare not try it. But in 1 second, Jagaban came to rescue Nigeria. It takes a man with courage to do this. So I want to thank you. I want you to go back home. The campaign for 2027 has started in Edo State.
On behalf of the new decampees, the Agon Chairmo and Chairmo of Eastern Central Local Government Area of Edo State, Honorable Kevin Iyere, come thank the governor and all APC party people for accepting them into APC. A court talk say na the crisis wey dey their party and the governor's progress and leadership na im make them leave their party PDP come join APC.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, our president here today, I want to thank all of you for accepting us into the party. Our alliance with the APC become imminent because of the unending crisis in the PDP. We want to thank Your Excellency for accepting us into the party once again.
The state APC Secretary Lawrence Okawe received the decampees. Come talk say,
those that don't join us now, the council chairman in the 17 local government, we are welcome. We are here this afternoon to receive you warmly into our family. We are not part of the family. The desire of the governor is to unite the states, and this is just the beginning. We are ready, and the governor is ready to unite the states for the purpose of development. The first child of the governor is what makes us here today. I hope you will unite with us, because the grassroots which they represent matters a lot to us. Hence, the government is concerned about the defense of the government. That will come from the unity. I urge you to go back to the local government now and become officially the ward and the local government where you will receive the direct local chairman. Please unite and cooperate with them because we don't lack anything because God is here to support you. Thank you very much, my Excellency.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele reporting for TMC TV.